Do you want to mute words on X? You can mute words on Twitter X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mute words on X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded section, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with multiple settings options. From here, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Again, a new screen will appear with different privacy options. Tap on Mute and Block, which allows you to manage muted accounts and words. Now, tap on Muted Words to see the list of words you have already muted or to add new ones. On this screen, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, type the word, phrase, hashtag, or username you want to mute. After entering the word, choose your preferences, such as muting from timeline, notifications, or both, and select how long you want to mute it. Finally, tap on Save to apply the changes. Once done, posts containing those muted words will no longer appear in your timeline or notifications based on your selected settings.